Hi, it's Joan. This week, I'd like to look at a situation where sometimes inadvertently we let the opponents get away with a contract when we should actually get in the way. And the most common times are when, like this hand, East has opened one heart, we've passed, haven't got anything like enough to double or to do anything. We pass and their partner bids two hearts and it goes pass, pass. Well, what have you got in terms of information from the bidding? Mainly that East West don't think they've got enough points for game. So give them maybe 20, 21, 22 points, something like that. They don't want to go any more than two. Well, nearly always when the opponents are sitting happily at the two level, if we're short in their suit, which we are in hearts, we often will have our own fit. And the points are, let's say, 20 to 22. We've got 9. We know for sure that partner will have about 11 points. So the points are pretty evenly divided and we should take action. And it's only when they've found a fit and we have already passed, so partner won't think we've got a strong hand. What we're doing is making what's called a balancing double. Partner bids two spades. Boy, we're happy with that. So we would just pass. The contract is two spades. We're missing the king and the jack of spades. We're missing two top hearts. We're missing one top club. And we are missing one diamond winner. So looks like we have, if we can hold it to 5, we'll actually make 5 losers. We'll actually make 8 tricks. That is 2 spades. So let's see what's going on. Right, we'll trump that third round of hearts and certainly draw trumps. Try one to the queen. That lost. So now play the king of clubs. Keep going with trumps. This time we need to take the finesse against the jack by playing to the 10. Woohoo, that worked. Things are going well. Let's drop the jack. And we are going to lose. We've made 4 tricks. We're making an extra spade. We'll make 1 club and 2 diamonds. So play a club. We have to lose to the ace of clubs. They play a heart, which we trump with the last trump that we've got. Enjoy the club. That's 6 tricks. Let's just take our other 2 tricks. I don't think we'll make any more. No, the queen of diamonds is still out in the 10. But the fact is we made 2 spades. Had we just sat mildly and let the bidding go 1 heart past 2 hearts, pass, 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 then East-West would have made their contract in 2 hearts. They would have lost 1 spade, no hearts, 2 diamonds, and 2 clubs. So it really pays when the opponents have decided that's it at the 2 level when they've got a fit for us to enter the auction. It's highly likely we will have an 8-card fit as well. And if the opponents had a 9-card fit, we would definitely have a 9-card fit. It's quite interesting, and it means that we're better to play our suit because we can't really do much about hearts. We're better in our 4-4 spade fit. Have a great week, everyone.